This video shows you how to take your digital library card in use in Tuudo. Go to Tuudo and choose Library on the menu. Click on Add Card. If you already have a library card to the Arcada Library, choose I already have a library card. Fill in the number of your card and your PIN code. Finally click on Add Card and your digital library card is available in Tuudo. If you don't already have a library card to the Arcada Library, choose I don't have a library card. Fill in the information. Choose a PIN code that is easy to remember. Accept the library's terms and conditions and click Register down on the page. When you have created your card, you need to register it in Arcada Finna. Arcada Finna is available on the address arcada.finna.fi. Click on the icon to get to the login page. Log in with your Arcada username and password. Fill in the number of your library card, which can now be found under Library in Tuudo, and the PIN code you just created in the fields. Through Arcada Finna, you can, for example, renew your loans and reserve material from the library. If you have any questions, please contact the library.